Thank you for teaching me that the relationships you have with people are everything, and that's how you're going to be remembered. Thorough, a servant heart.
Hardest working man I know, most consistent person I know. I always get my exercise because of you. Role model.
Dedicated.
Encouragement.
The best level of care.
If we could all be a little bit more like you, people would be in a better place.
Hi, I'm Dr. Edward Hirl. I remember specifically it was August 27th of 1985, and I spent a day with Dr. Charles Argo, and one of the physician's wives, Mary Lee Smith, he gave me a tour of Oskaloosa, and I thought, gosh, I was in heaven. It was a very, it was the size of town that appealed to me. And, the practice needed more physicians, so I came here and started here January 6th of 1986.
Happy retirement, Dad. It's hard to imagine that you're not going to be working anymore, because growing up every day, I saw how hard you worked for your patients to deliver them the best level of care you could and to build for us the best life possible. I know that your patients are going to miss you, because whenever I meet somebody from Oskaloosa and they hear my last name, they almost immediately ask if I'm your son, or sometimes they ask if I'm your grandson, and I am incredibly proud to tell them that you are my dad.
I've had so many people tell me what a good doctor you are, and I'm so proud to be your daughter because you have such an incredible legacy.
You are the most hardworking and dedicated person I know. I have always been very proud to say that you are my stepdad. But over the years, you've become more to me than just my stepdad. You are one of my dads. You are my kids' papa or grandpa. And you are a role model to our entire family.
You've taught me so much throughout your career, and there are so many traits that you possess that I admire. One of them being the most obvious, your hardworking spirit. I don't know anyone who works more hours, harder hours, and anyone that really deserves retirement more than you do. You are very detail-oriented, and I've always found it just so hilarious that you remembered so many of your patients' birth dates. And if you delivered them, you probably remember the day of the week, the time, nearly the time it was, what you were wearing, what they were wearing. It's just crazy the level of detail that you remember, and it's pretty cool, Dad. And then finally, you just have a servant heart. You act with integrity, you live honestly, and you treat everyone with respect, and that's really neat. So, Dad, I'm excited for you and Mom in this next journey. I'm excited for you to get the chance to take the RV out and go camping and travel more and garden and continue to do RAGBRAI. And most importantly, I'm excited for you to get the chance to spend more time with your grandkids. So, super excited for you, and congratulations again.
Oh, I think the most rewarding part would be when you approach each day, which has its challenges, but you work through the day, and by the end of the day, you have the feeling that you at least did your best to try to help people in different aspects of medicine, whether it be child care, when I did obstetrics, or geriatric care, or just general medical care. I think it's rewarding to get to the end of the day with the thought that you have helped people.
All right, Ed, here we are, retirement time. I was asked to share some memories of you, so I'm going to start with our famous paper route. You got me up every morning before 6, and we ran around the neighborhood delivering the morning register, and you taught me a lot about work ethic as we did that. And people always say kids learn more by their parents' actions than anything else. And
I've always admired your dedication to medicine and your patients, but most importantly, your family. I've learned so much from you over the years about healthcare, about life in general. And even though you had 11 of your own kids, you always took time to include me and discuss things with me. And I really can't express to you how much that's meant to me.
Thanks being the great grandpa that I always have, and you like my best grandpa that I ever have, and thanks for everything that I needed, and thanks for taking care of my parents, if they're sick, and also my brother. And thanks for everything. And I love you. And
no, I just want you to know what a blessing you were to work with. And I guess you've been a part of my life for almost 31 years, and the things you've taught me along the way, and when I work beside you every day. I love your compassion that you have for life and for people, and the need to always do what is right.
Hi, Dr. Hirl. I am so excited for you. I think I've worked with you in one capacity or another for almost 30 years now. It's been fun, and you're really going to be missed. A wonderful teacher, and watching you with patients and things that you remember about patients that they probably don't even remember about themselves. And you're just an amazing provider and person, and I'm so excited for you that you get to spend this time with your family and Harvey the RV.
I'm so proud of you, and I have loved working with you over the first few years of my clinic career. You inspire me, and you have so much energy and love for your patients, and I just love to see that every day about you. You always have a smile on your face, and you're always trying to make sure that you're doing the right thing for your patients.
Having the chance to work at the hospital, I know that your colleagues and coworkers love you too. And it's not just because of the desserts that you bring, although I think that helps.
Hi, Dr. Hirl. Congratulations on your retirement. We're sure gonna miss you around this place, especially.
Hi, Dr. Hirl. Congratulations on your retirement. You'll have to bring in your cherry cheesecake here and there.
Growing cherries and the different recipes that you like to make with those.
For instance, the cherry cheesecake on Washington's birthday.
And your cherry dessert. There'll be no cherry dessert like that here ever again.
We are going to miss your cherry dessert.
Over the years, I've been referred to as Thorough Hirl, which I would say I would take that as a compliment.
Dr. Hirl, Plum Pod would like to wish you a happy retirement. You've been a wonderful doctor. You've taken time with your patients. You're compassionate and caring, and they love you for that. And just enjoy your retirement.
And this is gonna miss you. Happy retirement.
Happy retirement. And you'll never have to say this phrase again.
Oh,
Start a computer.
I want you to enjoy your family and your time together in retirement. It sounds like you're going to be doing some camping, and enjoy that. I'll certainly be a little envious of that as well. So just all the best to you.
Dr. Hirl, I just want to congratulate you on your retirement. I'm so happy for you. You are going to be dearly missed by staff and your patients. One of my favorite things about remembering you by is our huddle teams when we would meet in the mornings, and always getting to see you every morning. And the day that you bought your new red truck, you parked it so everybody could see it, and we were all so excited for you. And also, I love how you were always able to remember everybody's birthday. So good luck, and I wish you the best in the future.
Dr. Hirl, we're sure going to miss you. I've enjoyed working with you all these years, and I've learned so much from you. Enjoy the teamwork that we have.
Hi, Ed. It's Ray and Lorraine, and we're just calling to wish you all the good things to come in your retirement. We're happy that we've been able to share so many things in the past, and you're a good person and you're a good doctor, but now you've earned your retirement, and hope that you have a long, happy, and healthy years ahead.
Hi, Ed. Congratulations on your retirement. I've enjoyed going on bike rides with you. I hope to do many more in the future. I hope you enjoy your RV, and maybe this summer we can go fishing sometime. Best wishes.
Happy retirement.
Happy retirement.
Well, I enjoy working at Mahaska Health because I've been here many years, and I see my patients professionally, and when you live in the same town, your patients over time get to be your friends, and that's a good thing that you have that relationship that I don't think you would have in a bigger city.
As I look back at the many years, I have a couple memories to mention. One of those is the most obvious one, and that is how proud I am to be your daughter. When a community member would ask me if you were my dad, and I would reply that you were my dad, their next thing typically was how thorough you have been and how you listen so well and show such care to them or to their family members. And you've been there for them through good times and through bad times.
Hi Dad, congrats on your retirement. Looking forward to like camping and like doing a lot of stuff with you and having you here every day, having coffee. Well, I'm not having coffee, but you are, and Mom. And good job, and I love you very much.
Hey Dad, want to wish you a happy retirement. Love you.
Hi Dad, I'm excited for you to retire so we can go camping and so that we can do more stuff at home together and just to hang out, and we're all excited for you to retire so that you don't have to worry about doing all your stuff at work. You can just stay home with all of us and we can like play games and do a bunch of other stuff together. And I love you very, very much. You're the best dad ever.
Just really excited for you to enter this next phase of life. So just think, you never have to do any more CME. You don't even have to take your summer vacation to the same conference in Minnesota every year. Never have to take boards again, and you're never going to get another call in the middle of the night for someone that's constipated. So,
hey, I just want to take this time to say congratulations on your upcoming retirement. I know you're looking forward to this and spending time with your hobbies, gardening, bicycling, doing some camping. You've been an inspiration to us and to all your children for many, many, many years. And we just look forward to you having this time for you and Melody to take it and go out and explore and really enjoy your life from here on out. So take this opportunity to relax and have a good time. Happy retirement.
I love you, and I am proud every day to call you my dad.
Congratulations, Grandpa Ed. No, Dad, there's no one who deserves a break more than you. I can't imagine anybody on planet Earth who's worked harder than you the last 45 years. So this is well-deserved and well-earned, and we love you.
Last year, your first batch, happy retirement. I'll believe it when I see it. I can't imagine you not dictating at night. You're the funniest man I know, and I always said when I can figure you out, I'll figure out comedy, but I know I'll never figure you out. Sorry for wearing a hat in this video. Happy retirement, Dad. Love you.
Hi, Ed. Well, here we are. It's hard to believe that your retirement is finally here. You know, 31 years ago, I don't think we could have imagined that this day would ever get here. It's been quite a journey. 11 kids, all kinds of ups and downs, and your career has been a big part of our life because you did sacrifice times with us that you had to be at the hospital, but we always knew that it's not that you didn't want to be with us, it's that someone needed you more. And you were always so caring and so glad to go help your patients, and I know that they still mean the world to you. You have been such a great dad for our kids, given them such an example of what a man should be, and your work ethic and honesty, and you've just been a wonderful husband and a wonderful doctor and a wonderful dad. And I'm so excited to see where our next journey takes us. You know, you give in to me quite a bit when I have crazy ideas, and I think the last crazy idea, Ed, could we get an RV? And you were a little reluctant, but you gave in, and we have Harvey the RV, and I think that's going to be a really good thing. I think we're going to have a good time in Harvey, and I'm really excited to see
what happens next? We've never spent day in and day out together, except when we had COVID, and that really wasn't all that much fun. But at least we were together, and we came through it together, just like we have everything else in our lives. We've had so much fun with our kids and with our grandkids, and now we're going to be able to enjoy it even more, because you won't have to worry about getting up in the morning. You won't have to go back over to the office at night and do charts. You won't have to worry on the weekends that you need to go get work done at the office. You'll just be able to be home and relax, and we can have coffee in the morning. And yes, you can go to Katie's house and have coffee with her, and we can go to the Y together. You won't have to be there at 6 now. You can go at 7 with me, and maybe you can swim with me. Now, I don't think that you're going to do that, but anyway, we can be at the Y together, and we're just going to find out all these different things that we can do together. So anyway, I just want you to know how much I love you, how much our family loves you, how much our dogs love you. We just have so much love, and we have so much to be thankful for. We have truly been blessed. I love you, and enjoy your party.
Can you say, congratulations, Papa? Yeah.
Congratulations!